let us begin our today's English grammar class. In our last class, we studied about the meaning of noun and some of the types of noun. They are common noun, proper noun, singular noun and plural noun. We have studied about these nouns in details. And in today's class, we are going to learn the remaining types of noun. They are concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun, compound noun, countable noun and uncountable noun. Concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun, compound noun, countable noun and uncountable noun. Let us study these in detail. Concrete noun. It is something that can be perceived through the five senses. Concrete noun is something that can be perceived through the five senses. Means it is something which we can see or which we maybe touch it or smell it or taste it. For examples, table, chair, mango, rat, tree, leaves, bag, pen, umbrella, etc. Table. This is the thing which we can see or which we can touch, isn't it? Yes. Chair. Chair also. We maybe see or we can touch it. Mango. This is the thing which we can see, which we can touch it and even which we can smell as well as which we can taste it also. These kinds of things are examples for concrete noun. Let us see some more examples in sentences. There is a herd of sheep outside. There is a herd of sheep outside. Pink flowers in the blue vase are looking very attractive. Pink flowers in the blue vase are looking very attractive. Happiness is watching a beautiful cat. Happiness is watching a beautiful cat. There is a herd of sheep outside. In this sentence, sheep is example for concrete noun because we can see it, we can touch it and even we can perceive through our senses, isn't it? Yes. Pink flowers in the blue vase are looking very attractive. In this sentence, pink flowers is example for concrete noun. As like the first sentence, here also the word pink flowers which we can, in this sentence, pink flowers are example for concrete noun because we can touch the pink flower as well as we can see it and even we can smell the fragrance of that, isn't it? Yes. Happiness is watching a beautiful cat. Cat is example for concrete noun that also we can see, we can touch its presence as well. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are intangible ideas that can't be perceived with the five senses. Abstract nouns are intangible ideas that can't be perceived with the five senses. For example, love, care, anger, creativity, thought, thinking, etc. Abstract noun. These are kinds of nouns which are even associated with some of the intangible ideas and that can't be perceived with the five senses. Means these are some of the intangible ideas and we can't sense with our five senses. We can't touch it or we can't see, we can't smell or we can't taste as well. For example, love. It is an example for intangible idea. We can't see, only we can feel that and we can't smell it or we can't see as well, we can't touch as well and even we can't smell or either taste it, isn't it? Yes. The same thing in case of care, anger, joy, sad, etc. These abstract nouns include some of the social concepts or political theories and some of the character traits or features or natures and all. And for example, care. Care refers to an emotion, and this example for abstract noun because it's a quality of a person and we can't see or we can't touch or we can't smell either and we can't taste it, isn't it? Yes. And even some more examples for abstract nouns are governance, democracy, etc. Let's see some more examples for abstract noun in sentences. We have to get at the truth of the matter. She will defeat them. He tried to restrain his anger. We have to get at the truth of the matter. Truth. In this sentence, the word truth is abstract noun because it's an intangible idea and we can't touch it or see it or smell or taste it. Only we can feel that, isn't it? Yes. And in the second sentence, she will defeat them. In this sentence, the word defeat is example for abstract noun. And the third sentence, he tried to restrain his anger. In this sentence, the word anger is example for abstract noun. The words like defeat or anger, truth, these are can't see or can't can't touch it or can't taste or smell it. Only we can feel that ideas because they are intangible ideas or emotions. So these kinds of ideas or some of the theories are examples for abstract noun. For example, Newton's law or some of the other theories in science are examples for abstract noun. For example, theory of relativity, gravitational theories, these also example for abstract noun because the theories are intangible ideas. Only we can sense that, but we can't sense through our five senses. Means we can't see or feel or taste or smell it. Only we can feel that. Let's move to the another types of noun. Collective nouns. A collective noun is a noun that functions as a singular noun while referring to a group of people or things. Collective noun is a noun that functions as a singular noun while referring to a group of people or things. This collective noun that refers to a group that functions as one unit or performs the same action at the same time. For example, the team plays in the main gym, or for example, crowd, flocks, team, etc. Here, collective noun is a noun that functions as a singular noun for which referring to the whole group or which referring to the group of people or things in a singular noun. It functions as a singular noun for referring to a group of people or things. For example, crowd, group of people, but it is referred to as a in a single or in a singular word that's called crowd. And group of players are known as team, like that. Let's see some more examples in a sentences. Examples for collective noun in sentences. First one, he comes from a noble family. A bunch of flowers is on the floor. The galaxy of stars looks beautiful during the night. Smita has a large collection of books. He comes from a noble family. Here, the term noble is example for collective noun because family represents a group of members of the family, isn't it? That is called as group of members of in a home. That's also called as family, isn't it? Yes, here the term family is example for collective noun. Next one, a bunch of flowers means a group of flowers are called as bunch. Here, a bunch of flowers is on the floor. In this sentence, bunch is example for collective noun. Next one, the galaxy of stars looks beautiful during the night. Group of stars are called galaxy. Here, the term galaxy represents or refers to the group of stars here. So, in this sentence, the term galaxy is example for collective noun. Smita has a large collection of books. Large collection of books means she have many books. Hence, it represents to the word collection. So, here the word collection. So, the term collection is example for collective noun in this sentence. Compound noun. Compound noun. A compound noun combines two or more words into one. Compound nouns combines two or more words into one. Means these nouns can appear as a single word or multiple words used separately or words connected by hyphens. For example, dry. Dry is a single word and through this word we can create multiple words and it can joined or connected with so many words. For example, dry cleaning, dry wash, dry fruit, etc. Or we can take the word tooth and we can connect this word with multiple words like toothpaste, toothache, like that. Or we can take the word hair and we can connect this word with multiple words like hairpin, hairband, hairstyle, like that, etc. are examples for compound noun. Let's see some more examples for compound noun in sentences. Teacher wrote on the blackboard. Today is full moon day. I love watching fireflies on warm summer nights. Teacher wrote on the blackboard. Here the word black is associated with another word called board. So in this sentence, blackboard is example for compound noun. Today is full moon day. Here full word is associated with one more word called moon. That's totally become full moon. In this sentence, the word full moon is example for compound noun. I love watching fireflies on warm summer nights. In this sentence, the word fire is connected with the word flies and it's became compound word here. So, it's example for compound noun. And we can create some more examples to the word black, blackboard, black magic, black color, like that. Or full, full moon, full day, like that. And or full stop, etc. And fireflies, fireflies, firefighter, like that, firecrackers, etc. Hence, to the one word or to the single word, we can connect or associated that word with multiple words, or we can create so many words called compound word and all. So, we can such a type of words in the sentence is called as compound noun. Countable noun. A countable noun is one that can count. A countable noun is one that can count. For example, bag, table, eye, leg, nose, book, chair, table, pen, pencil, picture, etc. A countable noun is also known as count noun. Is that one that you can count? Means, for example, when you have a 3 books, or when you have a 10 rupees, or when you have a 5 chocolates, or when you have a pen, these are the things you can, or you can describing a noun that is countable. Let's see examples for countable noun in sentences. Alexa has 4 pencils. He has a car. The car contains 4 seats. The book has 500 pages in it. Alexa has 4 pencils. Alexa has 4 pencils. Here, the number of pencils are mentioned here. She has 4 pencils, which we can count. So, in this sentence, 4 or 4 pencils are examples for countable noun here. And he has a car. He has a car. How many car he has? Only one car. A car. So, here in this sentence, a car is example for countable noun. The car contains 4 seats. How many seats the car has contains here? The car contains 4 seats. The number of the seats are mentioned here, so which we can count. So, in this sentence, 4 seats are examples for countable noun. The book has 500 pages in it. The book has how many pages in it? The book has 500 pages in it. Here, the number of pages are mentioned here, that is 500. So, in this sentence, 500 pages is example for countable noun. Let's know about the uncountable nouns, which is the last type of nouns in today's class. Yes, uncountable nouns are also known as a mass noun. An uncountable noun is one that cannot be counted. Countable nouns are one that can be counted, and these nouns cannot be counted. For examples, we can't count the happiness, love, care, anger, sad, joy, creativity, advice, etc. These are examples for uncountable nouns. And these uncountable nouns typically don't have plural forms. For example, advice, joy, love, etc. Let's see examples for uncountable noun. She needs plenty of patience to work with children. I had coffee. Step outside for fresh air. She needs plenty of patience to work with children. In this sentence, the word patience is example for uncountable noun, because patience is an emotion, a state of mind, isn't it? We can't count it. So, it's example for uncountable noun in this sentence. And next sentence, I had coffee. We can't count the coffee. So, it's example for uncountable noun. Step outside for fresh air. We can't count the air. So, it's an example for uncountable noun. Means the things which can't count, they are referred to as uncountable noun. In today's class, we came across concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun, compound noun, countable noun and uncountable noun, as well as examples for that. I hope you understood today's class. Thank you.